Hello folks, this will be one short video on CSS gradients to make interesting backgrounds. So here I have one index.html file and I only have the boilerplate and that's all we need. And I have also attached the style.css file and let's go there and let's identify our body. Now we all know that when we have the body, we can give something like background color of let's say brown and we will have a brown background color. Now apart from using background color, we can also write background and here we can write something called linear gradient and this will give us an interesting effect. So let me give to left and then red and blue. And as you can see, we have a transition from blue to red and this left is the direction. So we can make it to right and also to top. We have some weird results and that is because the height is very small. So we can give height as 100 view height and we will have the correct result. If I make it 50, let's say, we will have it in two parts. So let's keep it 100. And that is how we can get this transition using linear gradient. And we can also make it top left and we will have something diagonal like this. And we are not only limited to two colors, we can give as many colors as we want. So we can give red, blue, green, and then let's say red again and we will have something interesting like this. So that is how linear gradient works. Now, apart from linear gradient, we have something else, and that is called radial gradient. So I will write background color once again, and we will use radial gradient. And this radial gradient will be asking us where is our circle. So let me give circle at center, and then again we have to give some colors. Let's say red and blue. And at the center we have one circle, and it is slowly transitioning from red to blue. And we are also not limited to two colors. We can give as many colors as we want. So let me give green and then maybe something else like violet. And we have some interesting effect like this. And also the circle can be kept in many places. So in place of center, let me give top and we will have something like this. We can give top left and we can also give top center. We can also give bottom center and you can basically play around. It's like the sky's the limit. And the interesting thing is, instead of using normal backgrounds, there are times you may want to use some interesting effects like this. So then you can use the linear gradient and radial gradients. It's very simple, yet highly powerful. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.